We are Fortuny Alventosa Morell. We are a company. We are the joint of two companies, Alventosa Morell and Joan Fortuny. We didn't really know how it's going to be the facade, the colors, everything. We have an intuition of how it's going to be, but we never know exactly how it's going to be. And once we take out all the wood and everything, finally we discovered how it was, and we were very happy because it was very successful. And even now, month by month, it's drying, so it's changing the colors. So it's a building that is alive. In the term of circularity, it's very important for us that we didn't join together materials that once we have, for example, if ever the building should be like demolished, then you can separate all the materials. The clay, it's going to be separated from the concrete. The finishings of the facade can be separated from the clay, and then you can separate all the materials in different parts to try to make like urban minery, so to reuse the building in other situations. I think this project is gonna, aging of the buildings is very important for us and for our way of thinking the architecture, because there is two important terms here. One, it's how are gonna age the materials, and the other, it's one, the building arrives to the end of his life, how it's going to be recycled, for example, to make another building. So here we have those two concepts. The first one, it's resolved because we use natural materials that are from the island. So we know lime mortar is going to age nice. It's going to have spots, it's going to have like different tonalities, but that's the nice thing. Every year that it ages, it's going to age better. Buildings of the future has to have three skills that should be very important. The building should be positive. I mean, they should be nearly zero consumption building. In the second term, they should be circular in all the aspects. I mean, it should be easy to be, as we said before, demolished and become another building. We have to think in those terms, that maybe in 50 years, in 100 years, what's going to happen with the materials. The other thing that we think it's very important, materials and the design should be local. We have to go back a little bit of the way how we build before all the industrialization, that we know how to build from a place, with the people of the place and with the materials on the place.